Ah, shit. I'm out of here.
Hi now.
What's up?
Ground crews here.
Oh, thank God for you. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna spread it out.
All right, let me get unclipped here real quick.
Hey, when it dips, do not run away from the dip.
Okay.
When it dips, run that way.
Run
as
that
hard
way.
as you can.
Run that way, got it.
And do not pull that brake.
Okay.
So
What-
you want to
was I
run like
pulling
you
that
want to
brake?
run like this,
Uh-huh.
or like this, like you're fucking looking for a goddamn pass.
Okay,
Do you know what I
gotcha.
mean?
Yeah.
Hand up,
Gotcha.
because you're wanting that one to fly,
Uh-huh.
and you want to get under it, or your hands up, and you want that one to fly.
Okay.
You want to get under it. You hear
Gotcha.
me?
Yeah.
Remember? All right.
Yep.
After that, you're good.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yep.